came like thunder, bow down and face the flame. The crowd moved like a river, but I would not do the same. The heat was breathing closer, the empire counted down, but I had made my answer before the fire touched the ground. If he saves me, I will praise him. If he doesn't, I'll still stand. There are vows that don't surrender to the terror of man. Hold fast in the furnace, stand tall in the flame. Hold fast in the furnace, do not trade his name. When the world demands your worship, when the heat becomes your service, let your faith become your witness. Hold fast in the furnace. They thought the fire would break us, they thought the smoke would win, but there was one among us where no king had ever been. The chains fell in the burning, the fear lost all command. What they built to end our story became holy ground to stand. If he saves me, I will praise him. If he doesn't, I'll still stand. There are vows that don't surrender to the terror of man. Hold fast in the furnace, stand tall in the flame. Hold fast in the furnace, do not trade his name. When the world demands your worship, when the heat becomes your service, let your faith become your witness. Hold fast in the furnace. No idol owns my knees, no king can buy my soul, no flame can take the promise that the Lord has made whole. The furnace is not final, the pressure is not Lord. I would rather walk with Jesus than bow and leave the war. Hold fast in the furnace, stand tall in the flame.